Not turn too long up a library, you know. Just go up there, go do what you do and come back.
Yes, mama. Me know that never do, ma'am. Mama, then me can get one bag juice when me done up a library.
Galang and come back.
Alright, mama. You know, so me not even know when I go library go do, you know, because teacher them give you so much work. But anyway, me still a go in the library and two ladies work up here. Maybe me could have asked them because me not even know how to do work. Alright, me go. Even me get some schoolwork to do. And I was wondering if you could go in the library and look because me have to do it quick because my mother said me have to come back quick. Alright, social studies, we are doing a class. And we just have to go in and have the book them. But what the animals them? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Over this up.
It's over there, ma'am.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. Allah, there's so much booking here, I don't even know which part me and look. This is when I say West Indian non-fiction. Then what that mean, non-fiction? West Indian, no, this is one here.
Over there, the reference section.
Over here, sir, yes. Yes. You know what this is now? Oh, you know say what that book here look like it have some animal though. See one big fish here upon it. Other one here me think me a go do. But me have to hurry up and do the work. Eh, you no understand me. I have to do for me work, you know, because my mother say I pay here me have to get in a school. Then I weigh animal them, and how me no see them. Oh, see one big animal here. And this teacher that talk about in a class. Yes, I weigh them animal their name. I weigh the teacher say again, Galapagos. Oh, them here one here look like some big crocodile. Yes. Yes, man, me can write this croco. C-R-O-C. Teacher say if you say croco and broke it up in a syllables. Croco, dilly. No, crocodile. Yes. Oh, and the iguana, them they are lizard. But then our teacher say lizard. No iguana book say. Oh, but iguana and lizard I same thing. Iguana and lizard. You know what me done here, man? Me go play because dandy shandy with my friend them. And then me will just tell, I wonder if I saw. I must say yes, I saw. Me go play a little dandy shandy with my friend them and then me just go back over and then tell mama say me done. Alright, ma'am, thank you very much. You hear?